Spice, heat, sweet. We're making Jamaican jerk steak. Grab your habaneros. Stemmed habaneros. 1/3 cup olive oil. Blend until chunky smooth. Pour into a bowl. 1/3 cup packed light brown sugar. 2 teaspoons garlic powder. 2 teaspoons allspice. 2 teaspoons cinnamon. Half a teaspoon ground cloves. Half of a teaspoon freshly grated nutmeg. Mix, forming a paste. 2 3/4 pound skirt steak. Can also use flank, flat iron, or hanger. Slather the paste over the steaks. Cover, marinate 2 to 4 hours in the refrigerator. Heat over medium. Remove the steaks to room temperature 15 minutes. Salt, pepper, oil grill grate. Grill 2 to 3 minutes each side. Let it rest 10 minutes. Today we're making grilled chicken gyros, not gyros, gyros. It's Greek. 1.5 pound boneless skinless chicken breast. Pound the hump so it cooks evenly. 1/3 cup olive oil. Grate 2 garlic cloves. Grated zest of 1 lemon. Marinate up to 4 hours in the refrigerator. Now we make tzatziki. 1 garlic clove, grated. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. It mellows the garlic. 7 ounces Greek yogurt. 1/3 English cucumber. Peel. Remove the seeds. Grate. Dash of cayenne. Pinch of salt. Stir. 2 tablespoons chopped dill. 5 pocketless pita. Wrap in foil. 350 degrees, 15 minutes. Heat grill over medium heat. Salt. Pepper. Oil grates. Grill 4 to 5 minutes each side. Remove to rest 8 minutes. Slice. Want to make the best pasta salad ever? It's Mediterranean style. 1/2 pound orzo. Let it bubble 8 minutes. Strain. Do not rinse the pasta. Lemon zest. Roll the lemon, it loosens the juice. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1/4 cup liquid gold Greek olive oil. Kosher salt. Pepper. The warmth of the pasta will absorb the lemon oil. Let it cool 20 minutes. Slice on a bias, because you fancy. Greek feta in the brine. It makes a difference. 1/4 cup dill. 1/2 of an English cucumber, peeled, diced. 1/2 pint cherry tomatoes. 5 sliced radishes. 2 sliced green onions. Feta. Salt. Pepper. Fresh. Stop overcooking the chicken. It's dry, it's rubbery, it's pointless. Don't be afraid. I'm going to show you how to make juicy, succulent, tender chicken every single time. New series, back to basics. Boneless, skinless chicken breast, as many as you like. Take it out 20 to 30 minutes before you start grilling or cooking it. Place it into a large zipper bag. I showed you how to make the bag into a bowl. Don't disappoint me. Pound the hump so it cooks evenly. Medium to medium-low heat. Little avocado oil. Salt. Pepper. Good quality ingredients only needs salt and pepper. But you can also marinate it. Oil the grates. Grill 4 to 5 minutes each side. Halfway through grilling, turn 90 degrees. For hatch mark, makes it pretty. 4 more minutes, medium-low heat. Remove to rest, 8 minutes. Make gyros, tacos, or put it on top of salad. You got this. Today we're making garlic buttery potatoes. They're smashed. 1.5 pounds baby potatoes. Cold water to cover so they cook evenly. Kosher salt. Boil until tender, 8 to 10 minutes. Drain. Return to the pot. The heat of the pot will evaporate the excess water. 8 tablespoons unsalted butter. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 3 tablespoons. 5 cloves minced garlic. Saute medium-low heat 1 to 2 minutes until you smell the garlic. Gently press, just to break the skin. Brush both sides with the butter. Top with the garlic. Salt vigorously. Pepper. 425 degrees until slightly crispy. Freshly squeezed lemon. Parsley, because you fancy. Forget takeout, you can do this yourself. We're making orange beef and broccoli. It's better. Zest, 1 orange. 1/2 cup fresh orange juice. 4 garlic cloves, minced. 3 piles. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 1 tablespoon cold water. 1.5 pounds Aussie grass-fed New York strip steak. Thinly sliced against the grain. Dry with paper towels, otherwise it'll steam. Salt, pepper. Mise en place ahead. It means everything in its place. 2 tablespoons avocado oil. Half of the beef. 1/3 of the garlic. Stir fry 1 to 2 minutes. Remove. Touch more oil. Remaining garlic. Saute 30 seconds until fragrant. Orange juice. 1/4 cup hoisin. 1/4 cup teriyaki. Orange zest. Cook 1 to 2 minutes until you see it bubbly. Add the cornstarch slurry. 3 cups blanched broccoli. I show you how in my Instagram highlights. Return the beef. Today we're making fish tacos for Taco Tuesday. 1/2 cup rice vinegar. 1/3 cup sugar. Salt. Whisk. 2 cups thinly sliced red cabbage. Julienne, 1 Granny Smith apple. Add to the bowl 3/4 cup cilantro. Marinate 30 minutes to 2 hours, room temp. 1 cup mayo. 2 chipotles and adobo. Makes it spicy. 1 chopped garlic clove. 2 tablespoons lime juice. Chipotle aioli. 1.5 pounds halibut. Cut into strips. Salt. 2 eggs. Whisk. Panko and Italian breadcrumbs. 12-inch skillet, medium heat until the oil shimmers. Fry 2 minutes until golden. Flip. Fry 1 to 2 more minutes. Hit it with salt. Repeat, second batch. Flour tortillas. When you start with good quality fresh ingredients, there's not much you need to do to it. Keep it simple. Today we're making roasted beets. They're delicious and good for you. These are beautiful. We're gonna remove the greens. You can saute them just like you would spinach. Dry the beets. Be careful, the beet juice will stain your clothes. Wear an apron, wash your hands. Avocado oil, just a little bit. Kosher salt, pepper. Second piece of foil, make a pouch. Like that. 400-degree oven until tender. Insert the paring knife, perfect. It's nice and tender. That's how you know it's done. Rub the skin off, like that. Slice, dice, or cut into wedges. Lemon, good quality extra virgin olive oil. Fleur salt, it's French. Goat cheese, use the log, it's creamier. Celery, serve like this, because you're fancy. Since there's no carnivals in town, we're making fun food at home. Wanna make funnel cakes? You know how to measure. Sweet, don't disappoint me. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup sugar. 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. Kosher salt. Whisk. 2 eggs. 1 cup whole milk. Whisk. Funnel in the flour. Whisk. That's the texture you want. Let it rest 15 minutes. Use a funnel or a squeeze bottle. Cut the top. Add the batter. 2 cups canola oil. Heat to 350 degrees. Add your batter. Fry 30 seconds to 1 minute. Flip. Fry 30 seconds to 1 minute. Remove. Powdered sugar. Oh yeah. Store-bought salsa? Oh no, we make it homemade. It's roasted. 8 plum tomatoes. Quartered. Remove the seeds. Parchment. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Toss. Salt. Pepper. Roast until caramelized. Remove to cool. Corn tortillas. Quartered. Fry 2 minutes until golden. 1 cup diced sweet onion. Deflame. Removes the harsh flavor. 1/2 teaspoon garlic. 1/4 cup lime juice. It mellows the garlic. Small jalapeno. 1 diced chipotle. 2 teaspoon adobo. Onions. Roasted tomatoes. Salt. Pepper. Toss puree until chunky smooth. 1/4 cup cilantro. Today, I make Minimita Balls with a dill yogurt. 1 cup goat yogurt, or you can use Greek yogurt. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 teaspoon honey. 2 tablespoons chopped dill. 2 tablespoons chiffonade mint. Thin slices, because you're fancy. Kosher salt. Pepper. Stir. 1 pound Aussie ground lamb. 1/2 cup grated onion. 1.5 teaspoon garlic powder. Cinnamon. 1 teaspoon cumin. 3 tablespoons chopped mint. Kosher salt. pepper, 1 egg. Don't dirty another bowl. Italian breadcrumbs. Clean hands. Mix. Don't be a sissy. Roll the Minimita Balls. Heat 12-inch skillet over medium heat. Avocado oil. Heat the oil 1 minute. Brown 2 minutes. Flip. Flip 2 minutes. Remove. Don't even tell me you use sweet and sour mix. We make them fresh. Jalapeno Margaritas for Cinco de Mayo. 1 cup cold water. 1 cup sugar. High heat, bring to a boil. Whisk until dissolved. Boil 10 to 12 minutes until syrupy. Just like that. Remove from the heat. Cool. A 3 count is a 1 ounce pour. We need 4 ounces Blanco tequila. 1 eye, 2 eye, 3 eye. That's 1 ounce. 2 ounces Cointreau. 1 ounce Mezcal. Makes it smoky. Roll the lime. It loosens the juice. 1/3 cup fresh lime juice. 1/4 cup simple syrup. Pinch of kosher salt. 2 teaspoons cilantro. Shake. Jalapeno. Don't muddle. Too spicy. You need to give the mama in your life some love. On Mother's Day, we're cooking for her. 2 racks Frenched Aussie lamb. It's the best, baby. Trim. Zest of 1 lemon. Chefy tip. Pinch. Pull. 3 tablespoons chopped rosemary. Olive oil. Marinate 4 hours to overnight. Now we prepare the mint pastillade. It's French. 1 garlic clove, grated. 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. You know what it does to the garlic. 1/4 cup finely chopped parsley. No stems. 1/4 cup chopped mint. In. 1/4 cup chopped dill. 1/2 cup good quality extra virgin olive oil. Pinch of kosher salt. Stir. Salt. Both sides. Heat skillet medium-high heat. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Heat 1 to 2 minutes until shimmers. Sear 2 minutes. Flip 2 minutes. Remove. 425-degree oven. Let it rest 8 minutes.